Welcome back to the trading floor. If you've been following along, by now you've mastered the mental game and armed yourself with risk management. But here's the truth, all that knowledge is just the foundation. Without strategies, a concrete playbook to guide your moves, even the most disciplined, risk-aware trader is flying blind. Paul Tudor Jones, one of the greats, put it simply, there's no secret to trading success, just a strategy that fits you and the guts to stick with it. That's exactly what we're unpacking today. Picture this, the market's a stormy sea, and without a strategy, you're paddling in circles, hoping you don't get capsized. But with a strategy, you've got your compass, your map, and your lighthouse guiding every decision. Strategies aren't just plans, they're structures that help you navigate chaos, temper your emotions, and make informed moves. Warren Buffett captures it perfectly. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. And if you don't know your strategy, every trade is a gamble. Every market swing feels like a surprise, and every loss stings a little too hard. Let's start with trend following. Imagine the market as an ocean wave. You don't fight it, you ride it. The trick is patience, waiting for a trend to establish itself, then staying on the ride until momentum signals an exit. I remember one trader who saw a major tech stock breaking out over several weeks. He didn't rush in immediately, he waited for confirmation, got in when the volume spiked, and rode that trend for 3 months. That patience paid off, not just in profit but in discipline reinforced. Trend following is steady, disciplined, and highly effective when applied consistently. Next up, swing trading. This is about catching the market's swings within a larger trend. Picture a pendulum, it swings back and forth, sometimes gently, sometimes wildly. Your job is to spot the highs and lows, positioning yourself to profit from these moves without overcommitting. I once watched a swing trader in the commodities market patiently enter and exit positions over 2 weeks, capitalizing on the natural ebb and flow of oil prices. The key? Reading the rhythm of the market, not chasing it blindly. Day trading and scalping are your fast-paced plays. Day trading is like a chess match on fast forward, you're opening and closing positions within the same day to exploit intraday volatility. Scalping takes it further, multiple trades, tiny gains, razor-sharp timing. I recall a scalper who made dozens of trades in a single session, each tiny win adding up to a solid daily profit. The lesson? Precision and focus over size and impulsivity. Momentum trading is another tool. You're identifying assets with strong recent performance, betting that the momentum continues. One memorable example was a trader who spotted a biotech stock surging after FDA news. She timed her entry perfectly, riding momentum until early signs of exhaustion appeared, locking in a double-digit gain. Breakout trading works similarly, spot key support or resistance levels and step in when the price bursts through. Imagine standing at a racetrack, the gates open, and you sprint at the perfect moment to gain maximum advantage. Reversal trading flips the script, counter-trend strategies that spot turning points before most traders notice. Think of a stock tanking on panic selling, only to rebound sharply when fundamentals remain strong. Recognizing the early signs can turn a losing scenario into a winning trade. Mean reversion teaches a similar lesson, extremes rarely last. Prices swing too far from the historical average. That's your chance to anticipate a return, buy low, sell high, and profit from market balance. Arbitrage is your mathematically precise edge, exploiting price differences between markets. One trader noticed a currency mispricing between 2 exchanges and executed a near risk-free trade that netted a tidy profit before anyone else blinked. Algorithmic trading, the modern powerhouse, lets you automate strategies, executing trades faster and more consistently than any human could. I've seen algorithmic systems monitor hundreds of instruments simultaneously, catching opportunities invisible to the naked eye. But strategies alone aren't enough, you have to test, adapt, and tailor them. Backtesting is your rehearsal before the real performance. Simulate trades, tweak entries and exits, refine risk levels. A strategy only earns its keep if it works for your style and temperament. And your mindset? That's the glue that makes it all hold together. Mark Douglas nails it in Trading in the Zone, winners think different. Without the right mindset, even the most brilliant strategy can fail. Discipline under pressure is the ultimate differentiator, so here's what you'll master after completing this chapter. You'll ride trends with confidence, capture swings efficiently, and scalp precise gains without panic. Breakouts, momentum, and mean reversion. You'll recognize them, execute with clarity, and avoid common traps. Reversals, arbitrage, algorithmic precision, all become part of your arsenal. You'll stop guessing and start trading with intention. Every trade will have purpose, every strategy will have context, and every decision will be backed by analysis and experience, and perhaps most importantly, you'll understand that no single strategy is sacred. Markets change, conditions shift, and adaptability is everything. You'll mix approaches, adjust for volatility, and respond to signals rather than reacting impulsively. Testing, reviewing, iterating, these become second nature, transforming what once felt risky into disciplined execution. You're not just surviving the markets anymore, you're navigating them like a professional, building consistency and compounding wins over time. At the end of the day, strategies will come and go, market conditions will shift, but risk management, that's your anchor. It's the difference between being a tourist in the markets and being a trader who lasts. And now, without further ado, let's delve into Tip 61, Trend Following.
Thank you for listening to the Ultimate Trading Guide for Novice Traders, brought to you by bellsforex.com AudioWorks. We hope this chapter has given you the insights and confidence to start your trading journey with purpose and discipline. Stay curious, stay disciplined, and keep learning. Your trading success starts here. If you find value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a trading tip. Your support helps us grow the channel and bring you more free trading education. And of course, share this with anyone who's starting their trading journey. It might be the nudge they need to trade smarter. You can visit bellsforex.com to access the complete guide for free, or grab your copy on Amazon in Kindle or paperback. Until next tip, trade smart, and trade confidently. Happy trading!